Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today I'll be reviewing the Galaxybuds Pro. Alright, so if you'd like to check these out, the links will be in the description. I purchased these with my own cash, and I intend to be as unbiased as I possibly can. As always, help me to become the best earbud reviewer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. On to the video. The previous generation of the Galaxybuds have been my go-to for recommendations for anybody that's asking me for what earbuds they should buy. So we will see if these new Galaxybuds Pro can live up to their reputation. Alright, we got the box of the Galaxybuds Pro right here. Pretty small, sleek little box. Got an image of the headphones on the front. It says Samsung right there. It says Galaxy on the side right there. Nothing on the other side. And you got some specs on the back. Alright, let's get it open. And you're greeted right away with the earbuds. Oh, the matte black theme looks sweet. Pull them out of the wrapping. Looks very similar to the case of the Galaxybuds Live. Woo, that is nice. And then we have our little box with our accessories in there. See what we get. We got a USB-C charging cable, it appears, right? And then in there we got another little box. This is a minimalist packaging if I've ever seen it. You got 2 extra pairs of ear tips in this tiny little box. Very, very nice. Alright, let's talk about the price. They come in at $200 US, and they come in 3 different colors: white, purple, and black, matte black. Personally, I go for the black color because it just looks slick and sleek and very nice. And if you'd like to check them out, the links will be in the description. Also, they do have tons of active discounts. I was able to get a student discount, which made my price $170 US instead of the full $200. Now let's talk about the audio quality. After listening to these and using them for the last week, this is my conclusion. They sound really, really good. Very crisp and clear. Some of the best for listening for sure. For the ANC, they do a very good job at removing the noise and just noise that are going on. They are very good at just limiting them and making so you can't hear them when you're listening to your earbuds. They aren't the best I've ever tried. I would say that like the AirPods Pros are still better, but they are still very, very good. But they do have 2 options. One is high and one is low. You can adjust them in the app. As for the ambient mode, they are also pretty good. But honestly, they do have this weird white noise that is kind of annoying, and personally, it kind of bothers me. Like on the previous generations Galaxybuds Plus, they seem to have better ambient mode than these Galaxybuds Pro. For some reason, I'm not fully sure. One thing that is super maddening to me personally is the software support. So all of the Galaxybuds have always had fancy software support on the Galaxy side, which is great. We love that. But in the last 2 generations, the Galaxybuds Live and the Galaxybuds Plus, they had an app on iOS that would have the same integration on iOS. But they don't have that integration now. And it's like, why go back? It's really maddening to me. Because like you have this whole thing and it's why go back? You have a lot more like potential customers to buy this product if you keep it on both iOS and on Android. Like for me personally, pretty much everybody around me has iPhones. But because of this iOS software integration the Galaxybuds had, I could recommend these Galaxybuds because they were cheaper. They were the better option. But I mean, it does kind of make sense because it kind of forces people to switch to like a Galaxy. But at the same time, it feels like it's just forcing their potential customers away. Alright, let's get into the mic quality. Their predecessors had amazing mic quality, and the Galaxybuds Plus have been my go-to recommendation for mic quality and phone calls. We will see if these mics are still good. This is how they sound in a normal setting. Alright, so in my ears right now are the Galaxybuds Pro, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. I'm just talking with them in my ears as if I'll be like on phone call or anything like that. This is how they sound in a loud crowd setting. And yeah, we'll also be including the stadium crowd effect noise in this. Ready, get set, go. Alright, now I have the stadium crowd effect noise in the background, and this is my quality to expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. Even with all this crazy ruckus going on in the background, I can barely hear myself talking, but hopefully without you can hear me loud and clear. Alright, let's talk about the battery life. They claim to get 8 hours of audio playback with an additional 20 hours with the case. But I did a battery drain test. You can check out that video. I'll leave it linked in the description. and pretty much I drained the earbuds down. I did all sorts of modes, and I was able to get 4 hours and 56 minutes total battery drain test time, which is far less than their claim. I did have active noise canceling on for the majority of the time. There was only 1 hour where it didn't have active noise canceling on, but overall, that is what I got. Now for the features. They have active noise cancellation, they have ambient mode, they have wireless charging, they do have that regulating vent so the ANC does not hurt your ears, like get you all stuffy. They have two-way speakers that are tuned by AKG. They claim to have 3 built-in microphones for ambient mode and calls. They are compatible with Dolby Atmos, and 5 minutes of charging can get you 1 hour of playtime. They also have Bixby support. They connect right as you pull them out of the case, and you can ring them to find them. They are IPX7 water resistant. Active noise cancellation and ambient sound. Holy crap, there's so much to go through. Alright, let's go through the settings we got here. Voice detect. You can do voice detect, ambient mode, active noise cancellation. We're gonna update those in a sec. Block touches, okay. These are the touch controls. Very cool, very cool. Equalizer. Cool. You can adjust everything. Read out loud notifications, that's cool. Advanced. Labs, gaming mode. Find my earbuds. Whoa, we went to a different app. General, reset. Holy crap, these things are insane. Whoa. Oh, I'm so excited. Now for the design of the case. They come in a pretty small case that is matte black color, and they have the same design as the Galaxybuds Alive, just matte black. They look really sleek. I like this case a lot. They have wireless charging. They also charge via USB-C. On the top it says Samsung Sound by AKG. They have a little circle on the bottom that helps to keep them flat on the surface they're on. They have a nice satisfying lid that stays down with magnets, and overall a solid case for sure. Let's get into the design of the earbuds. They have a shiny black color on the outside of them. They also have a decent sized vent for ANC. They kind of have a bubbly design. They have 2 ear sensors on them, both on the inside. They have 3 microphone holes, 1 in the outside vent, 1 in the silver vent on the inside, another on top of the outside of the bud. They also have touch functions. They have 2 contact points that are silver for charging. They also have these massive ear tips that are very wide. My guess is it helps the music flow better. There's no ear hook in these. Alright, here's how they fit. Pretty sleek in the ear. They don't have the ear hook, so they don't exactly fit the best in my ear. Let's do a shake test. Alright, I'm gonna scoot back for this. Let me just secure them fully in my ears. I did have to put on the bigger ear tips to make them fit better. Usually the generic ear tip fits perfectly in my ears, but these did not happen to be the case for those. Alright, ready, get set, go. Oh! There goes the right bud, and there goes the left bud. Yeah, that pretty much sums them up. They feel like when they're in my ears, they're just like on limbo. They're not gonna stay in. I don't know, like with that ear hook on the Galaxybuds Plus and that design just fit better in my ears. This is all personal preference, but for me, they don't fit very well in the ear, and I think the bigger ear tip kind of, I don't know, it just didn't fit very well. Now for the connectivity. All right, let's pair the Galaxybuds Pro. This is the Galaxy Flip Z. All right, here we go. Open the case. Whoa, that was speedy quick. Jeez. It appears we're all connected. Now for my personal opinion, after using these for the last week, I would say this is my conclusion. They're a pretty solid pair of wireless earbuds, not gonna lie. They sound really, really good. And they have cool features on Android. They don't work on iOS, which is I kinda hate that they did that. Personally, I use a iPhone as my main phone in my right pocket. I have my Galaxy Z Flip in my left pocket, but my main phone was my iPhone in my right pocket. And to not have that integration is just kind of a deal breaker for me personally. I get there are other people that it's not, and it's fine, but that's just for me personally. As for the quality, the audio quality is amazing. The mic quality it's pretty good, but the ambient mode is not very good. I don't know why, because all I hear is this white noise and it's super annoying and it kind of bothers me a lot. The voices mode is really cool and you can hear voices pretty well, and it's kind of surprising how well. The noise cancellation is pretty good, but not the best. It does get the job done though. But I was using them with noise cancellation in the car, and it didn't seem to block out as well as I would have wanted. They're a pretty solid pair of earbuds. Personally, I'd still recommend the Galaxybuds Plus over these. They just fit better and they just seem to have more potential, and they're cheaper. But if you like the active noise cancellation, I definitely recommend checking them out. Alright, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check these out, the links will be in the description. Also, be sure to check out my website where I'll have a full evaluation of these. And yeah, be sure to check out the giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace. Alright, if you don't already know who I am the Custom Adventurist, and it is my goal to become the greatest earbud reviewer on the planet. The most detailed, the most honest, and the most trusted. And I need your help to become the best. I need you to subscribe and like this video. You should also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And be sure to comment anything you like about the videos, anything you hate, anything you want me to change, and what earbuds I should review next. As always, I'll be documenting all my testing, and all these products were either sent to me or purchased by me. I've taken no money from these companies and intend to be as unbiased as possible. Thanks for watching and helping me become the best.